Let us start what is the 7 C's of communication, and let us also give some examples in the support of our answer. So what is the 7 C's of communication? Let us check the checklist and find out how we can improve the professional communication skill and increase and enhance that message will be understood in the same spirit, in the same manner that it was intended to be. Means if we wanted to forward any sort of messages, they should be communicated in the same spirit as we want to be communicate to the other person or other people. So okay, let us see. To have an effective communication, one should keep the following 7 C's of the communication in the mind. So what is the first one? The first communication skill is clarity. The person should have the clarity in the projection of thought and ideas. Obviously, if you are going to communicate any sort of messages, first and the foremost thing that is being required is the expression of your thought and the ideas. ये जो thought और ideas है, that should be completely understood by the person whom you are conveying your message. Okay, that is it is written in the second line. You can see easy and understandable language. It should be very simple. It should be very straightforward. It should be understood by the person whom we are going to communicate. Use of simple, easy word in the short sentences. The same one. Write a small paragraph with 1 and 2 ideas. It should not be very complex and complicated. This is a very simple one. The next point is correct. We should give the very correct facts and the figure. We should not give something that keep the disguise or should keep the dilemma. Check the spelling and the grammar, punctuation are proper or not. That is also very important. Whether you are writing the spelling, we are giving the grammar, we are putting in the punctuation, it is an appropriate place or not. Then sending at the correct time. This is also one required. Whether are you been sending the messages at the proper time or not. Okay, sending in the correct style. The correct font is being required, whether your font size is appropriate or not. Normally we are going to use the Roman times, that is 12. Okay, this is also being taken into the consideration. The third point is given here, complete. The correct and check all the information. You should give the very complete information. It should not be provided in a partial way that the person have to give up that no, it is in a partial one. He has to again put out the queries from his own end. So it should be satisfy all the queries and add values to the document. When he is given all the satisfaction queries, then it should not be generated another queries from the person end. Avoid the misinterpretation and the misunderstanding and the wastage of time and the resources. It means it should not give the double meaning. It should be very simple, straightforward. Whatever you wanted to explain the person, या आप जो बताना चाहते हैं, जो कन्वे करना चाहते हैं, वो कभी कभी दो तरीके से या दो दोहराए पे या दो बातों पे स्टैंड आउट नहीं करना चाहिए. Got it? Another point is that clarity of the purpose. आप क्यों भेजना चाहते हो, क्या मकसद है आपका, that should also be clear. Specificity of the message. What do you wanted, the concrete, what is your preciseness, what is your specificness of the message. आप exactly क्या भेजना चाह रहे हो, ये होना चाहिए. Just for the example, आप किसी को टेक्स्ट मैसेज करते हो तो बड़ी स्पेसिफिक मैसेज करते हो, या आप कोई लेटर लिखते हो या कुछ अपने बिग बॉस को कुछ लिखते हो, तो यू राइट इट डाउन वेरी क्लियर एंड पिन पॉइंट द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स दैट यू वांटेड टू कन्वे. Okay, so clarity of the fact and figures, the clarity of the expression should be maintained. Use of powerful action and the words related to the situation, time and the place. Obviously, you have to maintain the good wordings, the good timings and the good place जब आप किसी को अपनी चीज़ों को फॉरवर्ड कर रहे हो, कि किस वक्त भेजना है, किस समय भेजना है, कहाँ भेजना है, कैसे फॉर्म में लिखना है, कैसे लिखना है. ये आपकी कॉन्क्रीट मजबूत होना चाहिए. सब चीज़ें अच्छे से समझ में जान के भेजनी है. कौन सा इस गिव अ प्रिसाइज फैक्ट इन द फिगर. यू हैव टू राइट इट डाउन वेरी डेफिनेट आइडियाज़. यू हैव टू गिव वेरी प्रिसाइज आइडियाज़ कि या मुझे भेजना है तो इस फॉर्म में मुझे भेजना है. अवॉइड रिपीटिशन इन द लेंथी सेंटेंसेस. समटाइम इट हैपन्स कि हम उसे बार बार रिपीटिशन करते हैं, कोई चीज़ को हम बार बार यूज़ करते हैं, तो अवॉइड सच थिंग्स. इट शुड बी मोर कॉम्प्रिहेंसिव एंड अटेंशन सीकर. नो बडी लाइक टू गो एंड फाइंड इट आउट कि भाई बार बार पढ़े या बार बार समझे, बार बार पूछे. तो इट शुड बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक. Consideration. Emphasize on you and our attitude. While you are been writing the person, normally we maintain a decora that we are going to write it down in a you and our attitude. That give a very good impressive, and we take the confidence of the person कि yeah, we are talking in a support because we are knowing you. Okay, emphasize the positive and the pleasing fact. और इसके अलावा आप ये भी देखिए कि आपका बहुत ही पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड रहना चाहिए, बड़े ही प्लीजिंग एंड पोलाइट एटीट्यूड रहना चाहिए, क्लियर एंड ऑनेस्ट इम्प्रेशन होना चाहिए, इंटेंशन होना चाहिए, एंड अवॉइड द जेंडर बायस वर्ड्स कि आप किसी फीमेल को लिख रहे हो या मेल को लिख सकते हो सकता है बॉस में भी द मेल और फीमेल. सो हम जेंडर बायस होके नहीं लिखना है. द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ courtesy. Answer and acknowledge the letter promptly. Use of right tone and the content. Be sincere and tactful to tackle the tough situation. Thank generously for any favor. The courteous approach to the audience. This is a very good approach while you have been writing. Whenever you are writing anything, you should be very polite, very humble, it should be very crystal clear, having the very how to tackle the, if you wanted to convey something very hard enough, you should be giving in a very simple and generous way. You are asking for some sort of favor also, the person feel okay fine, this person is asking me a very humble favor, so his approach should be positive. Your approach should be very positive, should be very humble, it should be very right up to the tone, it should able to clear, should be tackle any tough situation. Okay, so maintain all these 7 C's while you are giving any of the information, any of the message to the audience or to the higher authority. Thank you.